Hello, and this is Explain That, and this is a guide on how to add voice effects on your TikTok video. So let's get started. First, you should open up your TikTok account in your app. After that, you should just open up the plus icon in the middle and just do whatever type of content that you want. You can either do a voiceover or just lay out your already created video on topping on the album. By recording the voice, you can get a lot of effects as well. So you're done.
Hello, this is from TikTok and we're going to do voice filter. Please watch
And there you go. Just tap on the voice effects on the right corner. And here's the choices that you have. You have tons of choices as well.
Hello, this is from TikTok and we're going to do voice filter. Please watch and you could see how many filters TikTok has inside.
their own stocks.
In here, you can just change and wait for it to load out.
Hello, this is from TikTok.
Going to do voice filter.
Please watch and you can see how many filters TikTok has inside their own stocks.
We're going to do voice filter.
And that's about it. After you're done, just post it out, and that's how to add your voice effects on TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.